Boat primer paint secret: how to make durable high quality boat primer paint in 20 liters. Do you know that the foundation of every great boat finishes lies in its primer? Today, I'll teach you how to make your own professional grade boat paint primer paint that guarantees durability and long-lasting protections for your boat. Hi, I am Coach Gleaner, your go-to expert for marine paint and coating. In this video, I'll show you the advanced formulation for a 20 liters batch of boat primer paint. Stick around because I'll also share pro tips to get the best results, and don't forget to check the link in the description to grab our exclusive ebook at a discounted price. Both primer paint is crucial for aeration, corrosion, resistance, and a smooth finish. It is the first line of defense against moisture, rust, and wear, ensuring your boat stays in top shape no matter the condition. 1. Epoxy resin 5 kg. This primary bender for durability and water resistance. 2. Polymer hardener 2.5 kg. This chemical provides resistance and ensuring the curing time of the boat primer. 3. Titanium dioxide 1.5 kg. Titanium dioxide improves coverage and opacity. 4. Zinc sulfate 3 kg. This chemical offers excellent anti-corrosion properties. 5. Charcoal powder 2 kg. This chemical improves smoothness and acts as a filler. 6. Silene 4 liters. This is a solvent for tanning and better application. 7. Disperring agent 50 ml. This disperring agent ensures the evening mixture of pigment and fillers. 8. Anti-settling agent 100 gram. The anti-settling agent prevents sedimentation during storage. And the ninth is anti-skinner agent 50 ml. The anti-skinner agent prevents surfaces skin formulation during storation. First, ensure your workspace and tools are clean. Safety first. Put on a goggle, gloves, and masks to handle these chemicals. Start by adding 5 kg of epoxy resin to your mixing tank. Stir thoroughly for 5 minutes. Then slowly add 2.5 kg of polymer hardener while stirring to ensure a constant reaction. Gradually add 3 kg of zinc sulfide followed by 1.5 kg of titanium dioxide and 2 kg of talc powder. Mix for 15 minutes to achieve a smooth consistency. Add 50 ml of dispersant agent, 100 gram of anti-settling agent, and continue the mixture. Pour in 4 liters of silene to tint the paint for easy application. Finally, add 50 ml of anti-skinner agent to prevent skin formulation during storage. Your boat primer paint is ready. So quick and fast, and of course easy. So pour it into a clean container, seal tightly, and store in a cool, dry place. Label each container, that's if you're producing more than just one drum, which is your 20 liters. So you have to label all the containers with the product details and safety instruction. And also, if you're going to be producing more than 20 liters, just multiply each of these chemicals times the production you want, total production of the drums you want to produce. To apply, sand the surfaces lightly and clean thoroughly. Use a brush, roller, or spray gum to apply the primer evenly. Allow it to dry for 12 to 24 hours before applying the top coat. Don't rush the application process, please. Congratulations, you've just made a professional grade boat primer. If you want more advanced formulation and step-by-step guide, grab our exclusive ebook at a discounted price using the link in the description. Don't wait. Start your paint production journey today. What's your biggest challenge in boat painting? Comment below. Let's solve it together. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. Please, thanks once again for watching and see you in our next video on aluminium boat paint production. Until then, bye for now.